Milton Glaser once said, there are three responses to a piece of design: yes, no, and wow. Wow is the one to aim for.
Welcome to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Guys, आप लोग Facebook पे या Instagram पे स्क्रॉल करते हुए कोई डिज़ाइन देखते हो तो आपको लगता है कि वाओ व्हाट एन अमेजिंग डिज़ाइन इट इज़। तो आपके मन में इच्छा होती है कि काश मैं भी ऐसे डिज़ाइन कर सकूं, या आप ट्राई किए होंगे लेकिन आप कर नहीं पाए। So what's the solution for it? I have the solution for it. I'm going to launch new graphic design series called Learn with Ansar. Hello guys, my name is Sheikh Ansaruddin. I'm a mechanical engineer by profession and Elysian graphic designer by passion. So I do work as freelance graphic designer. I have expertise in Photoshop, Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro. So I'll be teaching you the Photoshop and video editing skills on YouTube for free. All you need to do is to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, let's roll a promo video for this new channel.